Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download CSV imports into Zoho CRM correctly step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Zoho CRM login page. Enter your login credentials and sign in. Once logged in, locate the setup icon in the upper right corner. Click on Setup to enter the configuration options. In the Setup menu, find the Data Administration section. Click on Import from the Data Administration options. On the Import page, select the type of data you wish to import, such as contacts, leads, or accounts. Click on the Import button corresponding to your selected data type. Choose the option to upload your CSV file. Click on Choose File to browse your computer for the CSV file you want to import. Select the CSV file and click Open. After the file is uploaded, click Next to proceed. You will now see a mapping screen to match your CSV columns to Zoho fields. Review the column mappings carefully. Adjust any mismatched fields by selecting the appropriate Zoho CRM field from the drop-down menus. Once satisfied with the mappings, click Next. During the import process, you will see an option to check for duplicates. Choose to either allow or prevent duplicates based on your preference. Click Next to continue. Review the summary of your import settings carefully. If everything looks correct, click the Import button to start the import process. You will see a progress indicator showing the status of your import. Once the import is complete, you will receive a confirmation message. Check your relevant CRM module to ensure the records appear as expected. If any issues arise, refer back to the import summary for errors and make necessary adjustments. Congratulations, you have successfully imported your CSV data into Zoho CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.